Let's go over how to care for the Neochair M7 after use. First, suction filter care. Second, spittoon cleaning. Third, syringe tip care. Fourth, light maintenance. Fifth, seat cleaning. Sixth, waterline flushing. We'll cover 6 key maintenance areas. Suction filter management. The suction filter is a device that captures foreign substances when blood and saliva are suctioned from the oral cavity during treatment. Turn the filter cap to the left to remove it, then take out the inner filter mesh and rinse it thoroughly under running water. Avoid using strong acidic chemicals such as bleach, as they can damage the plastic mesh. Use a neutral detergent for cleaning. After cleaning, insert the filter mesh back into place. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the rubber O-ring on the filter cap. Then turn the cap to the right to secure it firmly. Spittoon management. The spittoon is where the patient spits out blood or saliva during treatment, and it helps filter out debris. Because the filter and ceramic bowl can develop odors due to saliva and contaminants, it's important to clean them daily. Always turn off the chair's power before cleaning the spittoon. Remove the spittoon filter, filter cap, and the cup holder. Gently shake the ceramic bowl from side to side, then lift it out carefully using both hands. Wash the spittoon components and cup holder. Then dry them thoroughly before reassembling in reverse order. Syringe tip management. The 3-way syringe is a device that delivers air, water, or a combined spray. The syringe tip must be removed and sterilized for each patient to ensure hygiene. To remove the tip, press the button next to the connection point, pull the tip out, and sterilize it. After sterilization, press the button again and firmly insert the tip until it is fully secured. If the connection becomes loose, moisture may mix with the air during use. In that case, use a 4 mm hex wrench to tighten the connection securely. Light management. The dental light is used to illuminate the oral cavity during treatment. If any blood, dust, or foreign substances get on the light, it is best to clean it immediately before they harden. Dust can be removed by blowing air using a 3-way syringe, while any blood or debris should be wiped off promptly with a soft cloth. Sheet management. General contamination removal. Dissolve neutral detergent in 500 ml of lukewarm water and dry with a soft cloth. Daily disinfection. Afterwards, wipe the surface with 70% alcohol on a cloth. Caution: never use leather polish, leather wax, moisturizing lotion tools, or strong chemicals. Please use headrest covers to prevent contamination. Water pipe cleaning. Remove all couplings and handpieces attached to the handpiece tubing. Prepare the waterline flushing cover provided during installation and place it over the spittoon. Mount the handpiece tubings and 3-way syringe onto the cover. For the 3-way syringe, remove the tip and place it with the water button pressed down. Insert the remaining handpiece tubes as well. Open the waterline flushing panel located at the rear of the unit. Inside the panel, you will find the A/B bottle caps, A/B levers, bottle air switch, mains, bottle mode lever, and sterilization lever. Before adding disinfectant, make sure the air switch is turned off. If it is on, the bottle cap cannot be opened due to internal pressure. Open either the A or B bottle cap and fill with 500 ml of 3% hydrogen peroxide. After filling, securely close the cap and switch the air switch to on. Set the lever corresponding to the filled bottle to the operating position. Pull the mains, bottle lever to switch to bottle mode. Pull the sterilization lever to the on position to begin the flushing process. Continue the process until the disinfectant is completely emptied from the bottle and you hear the sound of air being discharged. To flush out any remaining disinfectant from the water lines, press the mains, bottle lever to switch to mains water mode. Be sure to rinse with mains water for at least twice the duration of the disinfectant flushing time. Once rinsing is complete, turn the air switch of the used bottle off, and press the sterilization lever on top to the off position. Return the previously detached tubings to their original positions. Reconnect the handpieces, three-way syringe, and scaler. Ensure that all couplings are fully tightened to prevent water leakage and equipment damage. This concludes our guide on how to maintain the NeoChair M7. Thank you for watching.